What's up YouTube? Where is a hairstylist? Or a barber? And clipper education in terms of barbering? My name is Kevin Diverse. I am the founder of Diverse Teach. Every texture, various styles, various techniques, for everyone. For hairstyles, barbers, clipper, trimmer, shaver, education. This is Diverse Teach. What's up YouTube? Today we're going to do a textured haircut on top, a number 1 on the sides, tapered sideburns and back. This is the before haircut on the right and the after haircut on the left. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel below or follow me on Instagram above. This will also have tips and tricks for parents when they decide to bring their kid for a haircut. First off, I'm going to cut the top with scissors, thin it out. I'm going to fade the sides with the number 2 and taper the sides and back. First off, I picked up my cordless fader with a number 2 clip. Now I'm combing and cutting, establishing the middle ground of this haircut. This haircut I'm actually going to go from bottom to top. Just combing and cutting. So we're going to go from top down. So number 2 clip, and we're going to work down next to a 1/16 clip with the fader. So now I'm picking my 1/16 clip, open, meeting, and closing the lever on the 1/16 clip. I'm only going to do the one side so you guys can see. For time purposes, I will mirror the other side.
Invest in yourself today. Hussam.
Combing and cutting. Now I'm actually picking up my fader, open, medium, close with the lever. One tip I'd have to give you guys right now is just don't give your kid bubble gum because hair and gum do not mix. I'm doing the taper now on his sideburns, open, medium, close, lever, touching up over his ears. Now I picked up my cordless slimline outliner. I like using the outliner because you can walk around the child without being held down by a cord. I'm outlining his back, tapering out back of his hair. Also, kids sit better after nap time. Make sure they are well napped so they can sit better. Also, sitting better, bring a protective tablet to distract them from the haircut. It's half time, yo. Some water. He needs a water break. Now I picked up my outliner. This is the hardest part of doing a kid's haircut. They move a lot. So make sure you have one hand stabilizing and the next hand outlining his hairline. He's kind of fighting me here, but that's typical for a kid. Depending on the haircut, they may not even need an outline, but he looks good with one. Now I picked up some gel. Just light gel so I can use some clipper over comb. So I'm combing the direction. He had a little bed head, so this allowed me to work his hair a little bit better. Now we're gonna pick up some scissors, just do some point cutting on top. Just get away a lot of the hairs that are sticking out that you couldn't get with the clipper. And now thinning shears to thin out his hair. He's pretty thick. And there we go, we got an end result. He's a happy kid at the end of the day. So what I've done is spike the top, started clipper over comb, start with scissors, spike the top, fade out the back, outline his front, taper his sides, fade out his back.
Invest in yourself today. Hussam beats.
Now we can get a gumball. I think he deserved it. He was pretty good. Thanks. You subscribe to my YouTube channel below, or you can follow me on Instagram above. You can get your gumball now, bro. Take care.